A hydroelectric dam generates electricity by using the energy of falling or flowing water to turn turbines, which in turn drive generators. Here's a step-by-step explanation of how a typical hydroelectric dam works. Water storage. A dam is constructed across a river to create a reservoir or a large controlled water source. This stored water has potential energy due to its elevated position. Intake. When electricity is needed, water is released from the reservoir through an intake. The intake controls the flow of water, directing it towards the turbines. Penstock. The water flows through a large pipe or tunnel called a penstock. As it moves down the penstock, the potential energy of the water is converted into kinetic energy due to the increase in velocity. Turbines. The high-velocity water strikes the blades of a turbine, causing it to spin. The turbine is connected to a generator by a shaft. The type of turbine used depends on the height of the waterfall and the volume of water flow. Generator. As the turbine blades turn, they spin the generator. Inside the generator, magnets rotate around a conductor or vice versa, inducing an electrical current according to Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Power output. The generated electrical current is then transmitted to a transformer where the voltage is adjusted to suitable levels for distribution. The electricity is then sent to homes, businesses and industries through power lines. Overall, hydroelectric power is a clean and sustainable way to generate electricity, and it plays a crucial role in the energy mix of many countries.